Welcome to a delicious exploration of Britain's vibrant food scene. It's a place where tradition meets a world of flavors, creating a truly unique culinary landscape. Get ready to discover tastes that tell a story. No journey through British food is complete without the iconic fish and chips. This beloved dish is a national treasure, offering crispy battered fish and golden chips. It's the taste of the seaside, a pub lunch, or a cozy night in. But Britain's food story is also one of incredible diversity. Thanks to its rich history and multicultural population, you can find authentic dishes from almost anywhere. From vibrant curries to delicious street food, the options are endless. Take falafel, for instance. These crispy chickpea fritters, often served in warm pita with fresh salads and sauces, are a staple in many British cities. They represent just one example of the incredible international flavors readily available. Exploring Britain's food means embracing both its comforting classics and its exciting global influences. Whether you're a local or a visitor, a student or an expat, there's always something new and delicious to discover. So go out there and take a bite of Britain's global plate.